Hello children, how are you all? I hope everybody is fine at home. So children, it's your home assignment time. So our today's home assignment is in cursive writing book. Page number is 47 and topic is recap of letters. Now let's see what is there on page number 47. Now children, open your page number 47 in your cursive writing book. Let me read the given instructions for you. So you have to trace and write the letters. Capital J and small j, capital K and small k, capital L and small l in cursive. Now children, ma'am is going to show you how to write these letters in cursive.
So children, as we all know, this is the top line, this is the middle line, this is the base line and this is the bottom line. So children, we will start from here. Now go up and touch the top line. Now come down, touch the bottom line. Don't lift your pencil. Now take out the tail, touch the middle line. Now come down, touch the bottom line once again and take out the tail and make a dot. This is capital J and small j in cursive. Now children, let's write capital K. So we will start from here, touch the top line, come to the base line. Now start from the top line once again, make a slanting line to the middle line. Now come down and touch the base line. Now don't lift your pencil and make a line up to the top line, make a loop and come down. Now go up and touch the middle line, make a curve and make a slanting line to the base line. This is capital K and small k in cursive. Now children, let's write capital L and small l in cursive. So we will start from here. Now make a loop, touch the top line. Now come down, touch the base line. Now again make a loop, touch the base line, go up and touch the top line, come down and touch the base line. Now stop. This is capital L and small l in cursive.
Children, you have to write J, K and L in cursive like this as I have done for you. I hope you all will do it nicely. After doing your work, send your pictures to your respective class teacher. Till then, take care. Bye everyone.